Hi, welcome to D5 Material Museum. Here, you can experience all the materials in D5 Render. Material simulation is critical to realistic rendering in computer graphics. It might be abstract for you to understand the process of simulation out of thin air. So, we built this on-site museum for you to see how materials are created in rendering. The ground floor of the museum features exhibition halls where you can try basic operations, such as selecting a material, adjusting a base color, and changing a map's color. As you explore from the ground floor up to the first, you'll encounter different material templates, each with its own unique parameter. Edit these parameters will allow you to learn about their effects in detail. For example, specular of glass affects how bright an object appears in reflection. Height of a displacement material influences the unevenness of a surface. Depth of water can help create vessels of varying depths. Opacity and its UV can affect the perforated effect. By moving the light source, you'll observe changes in the caustic effect, which is physically accurate in D5. In addition to these templates, the first floor also showcases the effects of various basic parameters. You can quickly find the relative content through the scene list. Of course, you're also free to explore the museum on your own. It's a hands-on, immersive way to understand the world of materials. You can directly download this scene from the Explore section of D5 Render. We hope that through this interactive museum, you could gain a deeper understanding of how to create realistic materials using the D5's material system. We would also be very happy if you could feel the unique charm of real-time rendering during the exploration.